Hello and welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at this MiSS 60 mobile phone. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the MiSS 60 mobile phone. Now this was the first MiSS 60 phone ever released, and this was released back in 2009, and this was actually made by Alcatel. Let's have a look at the box. I'm not too sure if this is rare, but I haven't seen one of these before, so I'm surmising it's pretty rare. Right, if we open this bit here, take this bit off, then we have this little tab here. We pull this off. That's the top, and then we have another card here, and then we have the manual, which opens up. If we take this out, just a minute, we'll look at the phone last. Here's the charger. As you can see there, it says Alcatel. And we have some more little leaflets here. And this must have been on Vodafone originally, because it's got all the Vodafone information. I've got her Vodafone SIM card in it. I haven't actually tried to see if it's unlocked, so I don't know. And there we are, here's the phone itself. Yes, a very nice phone. Here's the back of it. Here's the sides. You have the volume. I'm not too sure if that's the camera flash, but there. You have the charging port, which is there. And that's about it. And also you have the camera right in the middle there. Is your camera. Yeah. So if we open him up, like I said, this was released in 2009. Right then, let's power him up then. Yeah. Vodafone UK. Right then, let's have a look at the camera in a minute. Yeah, there's the camera. It's not bad. For an old phone from 2009. Go back there now. So what we got on the menu. Let's have a quick look at the games. Java. We have oh, that's a good one. Rocket Man and Opera Mini. See what else we got here. Yeah. Let's have the profiles. So the ringtones now then. Start from the top, as you normally do. Right, here we are. A silent, as vibration only. Anyway, we'll start the ringtones now. Turn the volume up a bit so we can hear them better. And here we are, back to silent. Just do them a couple again, just in case you missed them, because I turned the volume up. And here we are. And here we are. That is the MiSS 60. That is the MiSS 60. The first ever MiSS 60 mobile phone released. Very nice phone. I don't know how many of these they made, like, or if these are actually rare. I've never seen one. So like always, I try to bring you the old and rare mobile phones if I can. So, and that's another one. Another rare mobile phone, which I showed you. And there you are. Thank you very much. And as always, I'll be back very soon with another video. But until then, thanks for watching and bye!